Where'd he go? Where did Matt go? Oh, here, Phil.
Yeah, that shit looks good.
Yeah, I know. Is that like Pepperidge Farm stuff on this side?
How do I use this thing?
Oh, I don't know. Do you know how to use that thing?
Turn it on.
Yeah.
Oh.
And that's it. Point good.
Okay.
Look it up.
Yeah, just press there. Yeah.
Alright. Who has the lighter? Someone light that up.
Lighter or big lighter, big much.
Ryan, you know what it is.
Yeah. I thought
Mandingo.
I'm old.
Alright.
Very old now.
Who wants to start? Who wants to start? No, man. Let's sing it. Alright, go start.
Something.
Oh, go ahead, Ryan. Go.
Go ahead, Ryan. Go
I
ahead,
was
Ryan.
just kidding. I have nothing to say to Matt.
Alright, someone start the song.
Matt, Leo, wait for you.
Mom, start the song.
Amen.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh,
Happy birthday to you. Mom's remix.
Happy birthday, dear Matthew. Happy birthday to you. I'm old.
Go.
You, everyone. Oh, wait.
Okay. What?
It's the wish. He's
Make
thinking.
a wish.
Tell us, or it won't come true.
Yay!
Yay. Okay.
Yes, I gotta cut it.
Get the knife.
shit.
Can you eat that?
No.
Look
Oh.
at
You should
I leave down.
Hold it.
Hold it.
Hold it, Ryan, while Ryan licks it.
All right.
Show it to Mom.